POWAMOTO. He's a legend. He's a dream. He's the man.
There once was a young rider who rode out into the Everglades seeking enlightenment. Upon his return, the universe spoke to him, inspiring him and energizing him, naming him Mr. Sky Champion and his bike, Shiva Rose. Follow the Sky Champion on his journey as he gives back to the community and shares his inspiration with everyone on the POWAMOTO channel. Let the Sky Champion share his energy and inspiration with you.
Thanks for joining us today on POWAMOTO, where we ride with Shiva and the 2017 Suzuki GSXR 1000. Gorgeous bike with the Yoshimura pipes. Straight out of Japan, GSXR, the living legend, and the Motul from Suzuki. And let me show you how we rock. Come join me in Wynwood, in the streets of Wynwood, Miami, while our gang member, Monster Matt, lifts her up in the GSXR 1000. Here she comes.
To do it, we want to do it. That's it. One more, dog. One more for the people. One more for the people.
For riding with me out on Shiva over here on a beautiful sunny day in Miami, where we are thinking about, I had a dream, and I dreamed about that movie with Clint Eastwood where he had that big huge orangutan monkey ape and he said, "Left side, Clyde," and he went punching and all they did was ride on 60s choppers. I love the way the forks rake forward and a bike has a real fat, meaty rear end, and I haven't seen one in a while, so I'm riding down to the beach. Come join me while I cruise on Shiva and check out the beautiful sights of Miami and go find me a 60s chopper.
What type of engine are we rocking right here, sir?
What kind of what?
Motor.
117 cubic inch.
Woo! Is it a Harley?
1940. It's an S&S motor.
S&S. What are some of the engines that they put S&S bikes in? What type of engines do they put them in? All mostly
pretty much any rigid frame.
Rigid frame. But they put them in standard bikes or sport bikes?
Not really.
Okay, so this S&S company is mostly for a cruiser type.
Rigid choppers.
Or a chopper, rigid chopper.
Right.
Does your ass hurt sometimes?
I'm sorry?
Does your ass hurt sometimes?
Yeah.
Does your butt hurt? Does your butt hurt?
Oh, well, it's a hardtail, yeah.
Okay, so this is as low as it goes? It stays right there?
Yeah, it's a bar hopper.
Okay. It's got a beautiful look. She's gorgeous, bro. She's gorgeous. Ladies, welcome to Fort Lauderdale. Thanks for being on camera. We love you all.
You're on camera.
We love you. Hopefully you're okay with it. God bless everyone. Thank you. Follow POWAMOTO. 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 Merch, gear. POWAMOTO, sir. From behind. That's what they say, sir. From behind. Hey, off-roader. Look at that. I love those. Love those. Okay. Tell me more. Now this is the Vance & Hines. This is a special exhaust. Are we gonna get a sound check, sir? Because the guys on the channel, they want to hear the sound of this baby. They want to hear the sound of the baby. Oh! Oh! Give it to me, JT. Give it to me, JT. Oh! Oh! That's a bad motherfucker. That's a bad. right there, boys. Boys, that's a bad boys. Boys, that's a bad bitch. POWAMOTO, say it with me. Power. POWAMOTO. You got it on YouTube. You on YouTube. You on the front. Oh, they want you to go home, dog.
Nah, I ain't no damn. Take his ass home.
He's the baby. Send him home. You're the adult in this
Exactly.
bitch. This is a big brother.
I love you, man.
Hey, appreciate you, man.
Nah, I missed out.
Hey, let me buy you at least a drink or something. Can I buy you a drink?
Yeah.
Can I? It's hot out here in this bitch. What was that, a Tic Tac?
Yeah.
Fuck, you got good breath though, I'll tell you that.
I know. I need to breathe.
Let me buy you a drink, bro. Let me buy you a drink. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Shiva wanna buy you a drink too. Say Shiva, thank you. Say Shiva, thank you.
Thank you.
Say Shiva.
Siva.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's the bike, baby.
Guys are great. It's all about the firefighters, the police, the paramedics, and this weekend also our police, our military. It is Memorial Weekend. And is it Father's Day tomorrow?
No, that's June 20th.
Okay, thanks for letting me know. I had him confused.
Yeah.
And you guys look really cool in this little thing. And we love motorcycles, bikes, cars. That's what we do at POWAMOTO. And this video is gonna drop in 2 or 3 days. And can you do me a favor? Because I got almost 200 subscribers. When I get 1,000, I can leave my day job. And can you do me a huge favor? Please, for Fort Lauderdale, please. 3,000 views last night on one video. Please subscribe and share.
Pow!
Oh, I like this guy.
Pow!
Moto.
That's it.
I like this guy. He got it. I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you. Sick. 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 You can say, missionary to missionary, we love you, support each other, right? Thank you for helping Fort Lauderdale. It's you guys that give back. I love this lady. You're gonna be in a commercial, ma'am. Oh. And then if it hits, oh! See? Always saving my life.
Yeah.
My big sis,
Life-changing.
saving my life. Listen, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be riding motorcycles, because when I was in elementary school, you guys said, Sky, don't cross the street, Sky, but check out that bike. And that got me enthusiastic, and you guys liked it. That's what YouTube's about. I like that hair, sister. You rocking those glasses? What? Have a good time, guys. Where are my subscribers?
Subscribe today.